This was a crucial development that investors across the globe, most importantly in the United States, of course, were looking at essentially coming together on a deal that was essentially signed between both the countries, between US and China in Geneva. Remember, this deal that was arrived at in Geneva before tensions again began between the United States and China. This came in after a lot of tensions between US and China, and of course these two countries have been engaged in a trade war. But after that, after those negotiations came about, US and China once again were at loggerheads, and primarily because of these three concerns. Number one, issuing of visas, and US was stating that China is not really honoring what was agreed upon in Geneva between both the sides. That essentially is related to the exports of rare earth materials. Now, the export of rare earth materials, as you'd understand, that China has a stranglehold over that sector, and remember, countries globally are looking at exports from China, and there's been some sort of a disruption. A partial relief was granted by China to the United States, but now it is understood from Donald Trump's tweets that there are going to be further relaxation with respect to this sector. So definitely this is a huge relief coming in from China so far as the trade deal is concerned. In fact, Howard Lutnick, US Commerce Secretary, said, and I quote, "We have reached a framework to implement the Geneva Consensus and the call between these two presidents." Yes, that's been arrived at, and now all eyes now are on what really happens with India, because remember, that's one issue that's also been plaguing the auto sector. It's also been plaguing to a great extent the defense sector, to the aviation and aerospace sector, and of course the tech sector as well. And Indian industry executives are also looking at meeting Chinese executives to have talks, to have a dialogue so far as this particular issue of rare earth magnet exports is concerned, because of the kind of an impact that the restriction of rare earth materials has been having on the auto sector in particular.